What's up, YouTube family? How's everyone doing? Happy post-Thanksgiving and happy holidays to all of you. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to do the brine for Kosmos Q turkey brine and Meat Church bird bath brine. We're going to mix these up. They're going to go head to head, and they're going to be the focal point of a smoke out that I'm going to do for a Friendsgiving this Sunday. So you guys stick with me, let's get to it, and if you like what you're seeing, if you go ahead and smash that like button for me, and please subscribe to my channel. I'd be honored to have y'all a part of this barbecue journey with Old Red. Now let's get to it.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know
So in order to make these as even as I could, what I wanted to do is I got two of the very same extra large bags. Holds up to 25-pound turkeys, guys. These little birds here are only just over 12 pounds each. In addition to these birds, I'm also doing 2 racks of ribs and a brisket flat for a Friendsgiving. Want to be my friend? Subscribe below, y'all.
By the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. By my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. But his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
From my family to yours, I want to wish y'all the best of holidays, and please remember what these holidays are about. They're about love, they're about family, they're about passion, and they're about celebrating life. So please, whether you're a briner or injector or straight up roaster, you guys enjoy your holiday, and stay tuned and enjoy the video after this video of the smoke of the turkeys and also the results of the party. Who comes out on top? Will it be Kosmos Q, or is it gonna be good old Meat Church? We're using their rubs. Who do you think it's gonna be? Meat Church. Giovanna says it's gonna be Meat Church. Let's figure it out. I've never had any product meet church. I'm really looking forward to it. I already know that it just wins with Kosmos Q. It's just an amazing product. So Darren, keep doing what you're doing. And this is just going to be a straight up blind taste test from everybody who has no idea what I'm doing. So you guys be good. Enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out. And remember, life is about love, family, passion, and barbecue, y'all. Have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.